Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best video cameras. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the video cameras in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best video cameras on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Panasonic 4K camcorder. Though 4K video hasn't reached its pinnacle yet, the groundwork is being well laid by hardware devices such as the 4K camcorder from Panasonic. Panasonic designed this camera to be relevant for years while 4K becomes the standard, and with everything packed into this tiny camera, it looks like they'll succeed. Coming with HD recording, a Leica Tacoma lens, 20x optical zoom range, as well as in-camera effects and editing modes, put this camera over the top. Number 9. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. Designed like a firm rangefinder camera and solely for video, Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K is an outstanding and specialized video camera with astonishing specifications, design, and value for money. This model is an upgrade to the old Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, which used a micro four thirds sensor and lens mount, featuring a large Super 35mm sensor format and Canon EF lens mount. The camera is a powerhouse and can capture 6K raw footage at up to 60/50p. Though the camera has some small limitations, including no continuous autofocus and a fixed non-tilting screen, technically it is an extraordinary device with excellent video quality and an awesome value. Coming in number 8, Panasonic Lumix GH5S. Panasonic Lumix GH5S is a uniquely designed mirrorless camera with exceptional value, made for quality videos. It has a high frame rate at 10-bit 4x2x2 recording and high bit rates. The breadth of this video features the camera offers is incredibly impressive, featuring a multi-aspect sensor that enables high-quality 10-bit cinema 4K video with a wider view, a MOS sensor, and improved low lighting shooting. It is way ahead of its time and sets a standard for mirrorless video, as entirely build in focus for video is not ideal for vloggers, as it lacks in-body stabilization, and for photographers with just 10.2 megapixels of resolution. However, the ability to shoot DCI 4K at up to 60p with no crop is an outstanding distinction this camera holds. It's a sturdy device with a splash and freeze-proof design for extreme conditions, and the dual native ISO delivers ultra-sensitive video results with muted noise. Its interchangeable lens system adds to its impressive versatility and is likely a lightweight portable video camera. Coming at number 7, Sony Cybershot RX100 Mark VI. In many camera reviews, Sony's RX100 series of the compact is hailed by many as the best of the best in terms of what compact cameras have to offer. Whether or not you agree, you can't deny there's a compelling case for it. Two evidence to prove this are, first, the fact that Sony keeps all the older models in production even when newer ones come out, and second, that they've produced 7 of this and show no signs of slowing down any moment soon. So why did we choose the RX100 6 on this list instead of the more expensive 7 or the cheaper 5 or 4? We think this model offers the best balance between price and quality, providing frankly amazing functionality and features in a body that costs less than 1,000 pounds. The key advantage of this model over older ones is a bigger zoom lens that gives you the coverage equivalent to a 24 to 200mm super zoom, which will allow you to tackle practically any picture opportunity that presents itself. It's capable of burst shooting at a mega impressive 24 frames per second in both JPEG and RAW formats, with full autofocus. It inherits the winning combination of a 1-inch sensor, a 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens, and captures incredibly detailed 4K video as well as super slow motion footage. There's not a huge amount this camera can't do, and the fact that Sony packed all this tech into such a tiny, pocketable body is nothing short of a miracle. Number 6. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is simply Canon's finest product ever, and here's why. It is the perfect amalgamation of the EOS R's form, the EOS 5D's function, and the professional-grade autofocus of the EOS 1DX. So if you're a still or hybrid shooter who flips between photography and videography, this is one of the best cameras you will ever have the pleasure of using. It has attracted some attention for the wrong reasons, notably overheating or the threat of it when recording 8K video. But this shouldn't detract from this camera's extraordinary capabilities. It's not perfect at everything, but given its resolution, frame rate, and video capabilities combined, this is genuinely a landmark camera. It's expensive, and it feels like there's still a bit of development work to be done on the video side. But as a crossover pro stills video camera, it's a dramatic step forward. The only reason this camera isn't number 1 on our list is the price. This is an expensive professional purchase, especially when you factor in the cost of the best Canon RF lenses. Coming in number 5, Sony A7S III. Like Canon's 5D line, Sony's A7 cameras have become staples for shooters wanting top-notch video capability. The Sony A7S III takes most of the top features of other A7 models into a single phenomenal package. You get Sony's fantastic video quality in 4K with 10-bit 4x2x2 recording and can shoot at full frame with no crop. You get 12.1 megapixel stills, so this camera may not be a fit if you're also looking to capture high-resolution imagery. However, its focus peaking has been greatly improved compared to other A7 models. Coming in number 4, GoPro Max. While the GoPro Max looks like a 360-degree action cam for enthusiasts, the magic of GoPro Max is that you can hit record and forget about framing within a second, then edit your footage in the app. We've put this ahead of our previous favorite, the Insta360 1X's, because of its better quality capture and microphones, and the way it can double up as a vlogging cam and an action cam too, though it's not 4K. Regular 4K single camera capture would have been better still, and the app experience could use some work. But given everything the Max can do, it's still a sensational step towards what could genuinely be the future of filmmaking, but right now we think it's the best 360 camera around. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6600 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A6600 sits atop of Sony's line of APS-C sensor cameras for a reason. It offers impressive features borrowed from their acclaimed A7 series, such as the 5-axis image stabilization and IAF, in an even more compact body. Just like the ZV-1, Sony has built the A6600 to allow unlimited clip recording length, making it much more useful if you need an uninterrupted video of longer events. Compared with earlier A6X100 models, ergonomics have been improved with a more comfortable, deeper grip, and battery life has significantly improved. And while you don't get a fully articulating screen, it'll flip up 180 degrees to allow you to see your framing and control more functions while in front of the camera, a necessity for many approachers to vlogging. Coming in number 2, Nikon Z6. Well, it seems Nikon has lagged in the past when it comes to video. With their new Z series of mirrorless cameras, Nikon has roared into the picture with full, capable tools for videographers. So if you're wanting to get into video as a Nikon shooter, the Nikon Z6 is a fantastic choice. You get powerful video autofocus that is competitive with the best systems from Sony and Canon. You get uncropped 4K video with N-Log capabilities, which is one of the biggest advantages of the Z6. And unlike the Canon EOS R, you get fully integrated 5-axis in-body image stabilization. Number 1. Canon XA15 Professional Video Camera. Whether you're making a documentary or covering an event, you need a camcorder that can provide what you need. This demands a versatile lens, but also one attached to a not too heavy camera body. This is where the Canon XA15 comes in. It satisfies all these requirements and a lot more. The Canon XA11 Full HD camcorder is a compact run-and-gun camera that is suitable for ENG, event coverage, and independent and documentary filmmaking. The camera features a 2.84 1920 by 1080 CMOS sensor that captures video at various frame rates, up to 59.94p, including a 24p mode for a more cinematic feel. The integrated Canon 20x HD optical zoom lens has a 35mm equivalent zoom range of 26.8 to 576mm and features an 8-bladed iris to render highlights more naturally. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best video cameras. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.